So today we're going to change the battery in my BMW remote control. I call it a remote control, key fob, whatever you want to call it, remote. So what happened was the other day I was outside at about -1 degrees thinking it was the cold, but the battery, basically I tried to open the car with the key fob and it wasn't opening, and I was going, what's going on? I thought I was going to be stuck. But it turns out this morning, a few days later, I started the car and the car actually told me on the front dash that the remote control battery had gone low and it needed changing. So I'm going to change it this morning. Now the battery you need to fit on here is a CR2032, quite a common kind of flat battery, circular battery. I'm using these Energizer ones, and I've put links to these in the description if you want to get them from Amazon. Any brand will do, but I just seem to have Energizers in the drawer ready to go, so I'm going to use those. And I've got a couple of jewelers kind of screws here, flat ones that is, not Phillips, to crack it open. I've got it on my normal key bunch here, but what we're going to do first of all is we're going to just open it up. We turn it over. There's a little button on the side here. We're just going to press that and hold it down and pull out the bottom part, which, as you know or should know, reveals your key. In case the remote does fail on you, you can still open the car with the key part. So we're going to put that to one side, and then what we're left with is a strange looking end part here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get one of the small screwdrivers, and then we're just going to prise open the bottom because the battery is underneath here. So I'm just going to prise the bottom off gently. I think you can do this with your fingers actually. I don't think you need. Oh yeah, it's probably easier actually without the screwdriver. So I'm just pulling that bottom off. Trying to be quite gentle, but there you go. So the back is now off, and there's our battery. They had a Panasonic in it, 3-volt. So now we just need to swap over the battery. Right, so here's my battery I got out of the packet. What I'm going to do though is I'm going to use one of the thin screwdrivers just to prise out the old battery, because it's and she pops out. We want the writing side to go on the top, so the other side of the battery is just nothing on it, no writing. So I want to make sure we put that back in correctly with the writing back on the top. So get rid of that battery so you don't confuse the two, and then just slot the next one in. It's spring kind of loaded, so I'm just pushing 2 corners in, and then I'm just going to push down. It should click in really, really easily. And then to put it back, we've got 2 plastic prongs, should I say, connectors sitting out the end there, and we're going to slot those in first, okay? So they go in really snug, and then all we're going to do then is we're just going to push down until you hear the snap. And that's it, done. And then what you can finally do is get your key back in, and then just slide that back in into the hole until it clicks. There you go, and we're good to go. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks a lot. See you soon.